Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto was a towering figure in Pakistani politics and a charismatic leader who left an indelible mark on the country's history. Bhutto, born on January 5, 1928 in Larkana, Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto came from a prominent family with roots in politics and land ownership. His upbringing in a politically active environment influenced his future career. Bhutto pursued his education in Pakistan and later went to the University of Oxford, where he further developed his intellectual and political outlook. His exposure to Western political thought and systems helped shape his progressive ideas. Bhutto's political journey began in the 1950s. He joined various political movements and became a key figure in Pakistan's politics, advocating for democracy and social reform. In 1967, he founded the Pakistan People's Party, which was built on a platform of populism, social justice, and economic reforms. The PPP quickly became a mass movement, drawing support from a wide range of Pakistan's population, especially the working class and rural communities. As the foreign minister of Pakistan, he played a significant role in establishing Pakistan's diplomatic relations and positioning the country on the global stage. After a period of military rule, Bhutto became the president of Pakistan in 1971. Later in 1973, the country adopted a new constitution, and he assumed the role of prime minister. During his tenure, he implemented wide-ranging reforms aimed at modernizing the economy, redistributing wealth, and reducing inequality. Bhutto's government introduced socialist-inspired policies. His administration nationalized key industries, banks, and educational institutions, intending to foster economic self-reliance and social equity. While these reforms were popular among many, they also sparked controversy and debates about their long-term impact.